Ultra-mobile SIM activation problems often stem from ICCID-IMEI mismatches or carrier provisioning failures. The ICCID is the SIM card's unique ID, and the IMEI identifies your device. A mismatch occurs when these aren't correctly paired in Ultramobile's system, preventing activation. This can manifest as no signal, failed calls, or data issues. To fix this, first restart your device and ensure the SIM card is properly seated. Verify your phone's IMEI by dialing #SIC and check device compatibility on Ultramobile's website, making sure your phone supports T-Mobile's bands, LTE bands 1271 for widespread coverage. These simple steps can often resolve the issue quickly. If a simple restart doesn't work, try a network reset via your phone's settings. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, look for the equivalent reset option in your settings. If the problem persists, use the Ultramobile app for over-the-air provisioning or contact their support for manual IMEI registration. For eSIM users, ensure your device fully supports remote SIM provisioning. You may need to adjust your APN settings. Go to Settings, Mobile Data, APN, and set it to Ultramobile's defaults. Remember, patience is key, as provisioning delays can occur, especially during peak times. By following these steps, you can usually resolve the activation issue or gather the necessary information for Ultramobile support to assist you.